Welcome back, everyone. I hope you guys are all staying healthy and safe. In today's video, we have another awesome product for all you 22 and up Toyota Tundra owners and 23 and up Sequoia owners. What we have here is the brand new FP Plus Sequential LED turn signals. Now these are the mirror lights which we'll be installing onto your mirrors. Now we do have two different options for you guys. For y'all who like to keep your trucks looking OEM, have these clear, or we'll call them white, sequential turn signals. Now these will be slightly brighter as far as the housings because they are going to be clearer than your OEM ones, but they really retain the OEM-like look. These guys do feature a amber LED sequential turn signal in here. So as you're locking, unlocking your truck, you'll see a nice little sequential line going through there, along with these are turn signals as well. So if you have your turn signals or your hazards on, it'll be a nice little sequential signal there. For you guys that like to add a little bit more flair to your Tundras and Sequoias, we also have the smoked version right here. Now, in my opinion, this looks awesome, as I like to generally black out my trucks and get rid of all chrome and silver on them. So this is definitely a winner in my book. Also, as I mentioned, it does have the smoked lens on here. On the inside, it's going to have the exact same amber LED sequential light, which will be activating with all your features like this one and also your OEM one. Both of these lights are going to be DOT and street legal, so you don't have to worry about that. Installation on this is going to be 100% bolt-on or just OEM replacement, so you are just going to pull out your OEM lights, plug these guys in, and you'll be good to go. For the installation, I will give yourselves about 30 minutes to complete the whole install. If you're really taking your time, it'll be up towards an hour, but it's going to be extremely simple. 4 tools needed for the installation. All we're going to need is a panel removal tool, along with a T10 Torx bit for the install that I'm about to show you guys now. I use this little Torx wrench right here. So all you need to do for the installation, like I said, it's super simple. You start by using our panel removal tool and popping off the front cover on the mirror. Once we have the front cover off, we're going to move into the actual mirror itself. We'll reach in on the sides of the mirrors and we're going to pop the mirror off from the housing itself. This is going to expose 4 T10 screws. Using our little Torx bit, we're going to remove those 4 screws. Once we have these screws out, we'll be able to separate the housing itself. And by separating this housing, it will expose the OEM turn signal along with the 2 T10 Torx bits. Once we have separated the housing, we're going to move the piece that's holding the light on just away from the housing itself, giving us enough room to use this little tool to remove the screws. Once we have the 2 screws removed, at this point we can pop off the light itself and disconnect it. Once we have the OEM light out, we are going to reinstall the FP Plus sequential lights. We're just going to reverse all the steps we used to pull the lights off. We'll start by plugging them in, putting it back into its place and screwing the light itself in, and then we're just going to clip everything back together and reassemble the light itself. And there we have it for the installation. As I mentioned, it's a super simple install. Give yourself about 30 minutes to do that. Make sure you have your panel removal tool and your T10 Torx bit, and once you have that, installation will be a breeze. Anyway, let me know what you guys think about these 2 new awesome products from FP Plus. Which one will you be running on your new Tundra or Sequoia? Will be the clear ones or the smoked ones. Either way, I hope you guys stay safe, and until next time, we will see ya.